How to follow people on TikTok PC. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to do that, you can follow up the simple steps. So for that, all you gotta head over is open up TikTok into your laptop, tiktok.com, and you can use the search bar, or you can directly follow the person from the For You page. When you head over the profile, you should be finding a plus option. You can click on it or head over their profile. And there you should be finding a follow button like this. All you gotta do is click on it. So in order to follow the person, you need to be logged in, otherwise you can't follow. So make sure to be logged in, and all you gotta do is simply head over the people and hit the follow button. You can hit on this plus icon or hit the follow button I showed earlier. So that is it for now. That is how you easily follow people on TikTok PC. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.